the first part where we have just starting from our house in Gurgaon, and we'll try to cover at a stretch a distance of some 300 kilometers. And that's when we'll take it from how it comes. Jai Shri Ganesh.
Jai Shri Ganesh, Jai Bhagavati Mata ki Jai.
So this is very exciting. It's been a few years since we left like this one nuclear family. Okay, so the last minute checks. Shweta just reminded me. Okay, yes, I have my driving license, guys. There are a few things you may forget, even if you've done, a diligent effort of packing everything.
What's the time?
All right, so today's the 3rd of October, and right now it is 5:45. We're actually late. We had planned to move a little earlier in the morning. However, I decided not to set out at that time because I wasn't quite feeling so good, because I did not have had a good night's sleep. So we carry on sleeping, thinking that we'll be able to cover the distance a little later, and if we will not be able to, maybe we'll take a halt somewhere. But it is always advisable, if you're planning to drive in the hills at night with family, all by yourself, you may want to only cover the distance in the daytime. But that's absolutely a personal choice. That's what I felt like doing, so that's why we slept till morning, as in 4:40, and after that we got up. It took us another 1 hour and 15 minutes, and hence this time now. It is said that I have not been to Manali before this, so I've only heard that it takes you anywhere between some 12 to 14 hours, depending on traffic, to reach the total distance of 586 kilometers to Manali. So only thinking, if that's so, then latest by 8 o'clock in the evening we should reach Manali. And if during the time we feel that we do not want to cover the distance in hills at night, we would want to stay over somewhere. Okay, so talking of last minute checks, like I just checked my driving license and other papers and everything. I will cover in a video as to how to prepare when you're going out with family. I would like to give you a comprehensive checklist for everything that you should keep with you. That will also help you ensure that you're not missing out on something. So I'll try to do a video on that one. I saw a few videos earlier, but on YouTube, but I couldn't quite find one such comprehensive checklist, at least for us Indian families. So I'll try to do that.
Hold on. If you don't want to lie down, then please let him sleep. Please, he wants to sleep. आप आगे आ जाओ. तुमको अगर आगे ले लो, अभी तो सोना है अच्छे से.
No problem. Okay, so we stopped because there was some issue with the camera. I'm just fixing that. Right before Rajiv Chowk, so and there's some bit of tussle we have with the kids. All right, now it looks good. Okay, should be good. Now we are moving ahead and we're about to hit Rajiv Chowk on Sona Road. When you're coming from Sona going towards NH8, which is connecting Delhi to Jaipur, we hit NH8 at Rajiv Chowk. So this is Rajiv Chowk and we'll go around the circle and we will go towards Delhi. We've taken a right basically. So this is a very... Alright, so we're hitting the highway at entry number 12. So this is Jaipur and Delhi highway. As you can already see that it's very close to the sunrise. We'll try to take advantage of this time as much as we can. The roads right now are still smooth. And let's enjoy some music. The ring road in Delhi, and we're taking this left at the GT road. This is the GT road, and from here it is only going straight for let's say, I think some 240 odd kilometers we'll keep going straight from here. So we'll connect with you. Okay, so we've just crossed Panipat. This is the highway. We are getting beautiful roads. We are some 15 minutes short to 2 hours since we started, and we've done 130 kilometers. So we're having a beautiful ride, and about some 30 kilometers from here we'll reach Karnal. We're hopeful if things go well, we'll be able to hit Kiratpur in the next say some 2 hours, looks like. To keep you updated, we're getting an awesome road with no halt anywhere. Absolutely anywhere, कहीं पे भी हमें कोई heavy traffic या jam मिला है, और पूरे रास्ते में बहुत अच्छी road मिली है अभी तक हमें. So we'll share an update. कहीं पे भी खराब road आती है या कोई भी चीज़ आती है, we'll update you. We've actually, as a matter of fact, crossed Kurukshetra. We're still doing decent speeds, and there is still no trace of any bad patch on this highway. We just wanted to cover this particular portion. It's been some time that we're experiencing smog here, and this particular stretch we're having a little thicker smog. So we wanted to cover this. This also maybe goes out to the CM of Delhi, So, sir, you're not the only one who's facing this problem, of pollution in Delhi alone. So, this is on the national highway. I mean, this is the GT road leading to Chandigarh. And even before the onset of winters, we see so much of smog here. Particular belt has to, happens to be an industrial town or industrial belt, where because of the pollution, you can see the kind of pollution this stretch is experiencing. So I think what we all need to do as Delhiites is we need to start right now. Sir, Mr. Kejriwal, अगर आपको इवन ऑड करना है तो मेरे ख्याल से अब से शुरू कर सकते हैं, ताकि एनवायरनमेंट में कम से कम पोल्यूशन हो, जो विंटर्स आने पर कम से कम सेटल हो नीचे. एंड आई वुड अपील टू एवरीबडी हु इज लिसनिंग टू दिस वन, गाइस, यार से नो टू क्रैकर्स है. मतलब कुछ और चला सकते हो तो चला लो भाई, डीजे चला लो, प्लीज ड्रिंक. There was once, I think we were all told when we were in school कि कुछ लोग दिवाली को खराब करते हैं शराब पी करके और पटाखे शराब पी करके और जुआ खेल करके. मेरे ख्याल से यार वो ज़्यादा बेटर है. शराब पी लो भाइयों, जुआ खेलो यार क्रैकर्स मत जलाओ भाई, बहुत ख़राब हालत हो जाती है यार. So that's what I wanted to tell you. In about, I think in little under an hour or about an hour's time, we should be crossing Chandigarh, where we will then be moving. Okay, it has been 8 hours since we've been driving. When we started at 5:45 in the morning, now it is 1:45 in the afternoon. We've covered 448 kilometers. We've not taken any lunch break. We've eaten whatever we had while we were driving, but we've had a few stoppages because we have to show you how it looks. It's white green mountain right in front of me, and the road is really patchy, and I'm not able to do more than 20 kilometers per hour, and that was coming as very bumpy for us. But I will not want to slow down because we're going to cover the whole distance. I would want to reach Manali any time before 6 in the evening, or basically right before it gets dark. It is bumpy, but I'd like to tell you all, people when they see that road itni kharab hai to wahan nahi jana chahiye. The road is bumpy. It is not scary. It is not scary at all. Okay, so this news is going out to everybody who has only thought that they will once go in the hills driving. People who don't like driving in hills can't quite say that is only of your experience. But if you're only sitting home and not trying even, then I'd like to tell you that it is not so bad as we think it could be. Somewhere on the way, I don't know, 71 kilometers before Manali, we have entered a tunnel. We first thought maybe it's not going to be so long. We've been driving in this tunnel for more than 1 kilometers now. It's still there. I haven't been into a tunnel such big, this big. So I thought I'll film this one as well. It is an amazing experience being inside here. Absolute dark. I'll show you how dark this is. So it is this dark. I think I would have done more than about 1.5 kilometers inside, and we're still going strong inside the tunnel. After a long non-stop journey of 12 hours, we've reached Manali, and this is the Manali Mall Road. That's my family, Swarnim, Shweta and Abir. So naughty Abir. Abir! Say hi! Hi! That's Swarnim. Swarnim, say hi!
Hi.
That's Shweta. Okay, so this is how Manali Mall Road looks like. I can tell you, after having been to a lot of hill stations at north, this looks possibly the best one actually. I haven't seen a mall road that looks so good with any other hill station. It looks really good. I'm not sure how it looks in the morning. So this is, okay, I'll tell you. So it is 9:15. So I'd like to tell you, we reached at 6 o'clock, which is 12 hours and 15 minutes, covering the entire distance from Gurgaon